Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl eToro, aka ICU Glam, and we are back with a little bit of some outer glam today. Wanted to share with you guys my favorite lip combos, colors that I pick for, go for every day, obviously featuring ICU Glam Cosmetics. It's my squad, it's my glam. If you haven't shopped already, make sure you shop now at www.icuglam.com. Wanted to just give you guys my go-to lips and looks 10 times out of 10 if you see me rocking a glossy lip color at this point in my life. It is ICU Glam Cosmetics in some way, shape, or form, some combination. So I figured I'd give you guys kind of like a closer on lip swatch video. I kind of like have sat down and talked about it, but I haven't really given you guys the full glam on my lips, how I wear them, how I love them, how I live them, how I slay them. So if you are interested, make sure you stay tuned. But before we get into the video, you guys already know the deal. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. I don't know why at this point in our lives I have to be reminding you. Nonetheless, I appreciate y'all for joining the glam fam and sticking out and hanging and rocking with your girl. Subscribe, hit that subscribe button down below, join the glam fam, hit the bell so you get them bell notifications every time a new video is posted. Yes, I am learning the cues, okay? I'm learning the cues. And make sure you tell your mother, your father, your sister, cousin, your baby father, tell everybody to pull up because you're finna get it cracking. Alright, let's roll. Okay guys, so the first lip combo that I'm going to show you, maybe I'll bring you guys a little bit closer. Let's see. Okay guys, so the first lip combo I'm going to show you is Butternut Crush. Butternut Crush is my most true to nude as nude can get color in my range of lip glosses. I created this color for those looks when you just want that classic bright nude, okay? It goes on really opaque, so that's a swatch on my hand. That's the color on my hand, but it's still just like this creamy, sweet kind of nude. So I wear this when I want the ultra glam nude lips. So I'll show you guys how I achieve that look. My lips are already moisturized. I have some ICU Glam Balm on my lips. Of course, I always start with a brown liner. It's not a classic ICU Glam lip if I don't have my brown liner, okay? I'm just gonna line. And I always line my outer corners first. It's just like out of habit, really. And then I do the top. And I don't overline my lips, I just go right on my lip line. And I always like drag my lip liner kind of in at my corners to give me that ombre effect. So then, once I'm done the corners of my lips, I'm gonna outline my top and my bottom where it's not lined yet. My top right here, my cupid's bow in the bottom of my lip, I don't line too thick. I don't want the liner to overpower my entire lip look, the lip color. That's not what I'm going for with this. I want the color, the true color of the lip gloss to really shine through. I'm just gonna mend my lips together a little bit. And sometimes I take my finger to just soften out the lip line so it gives you a better, like more like a seamless kind of blend effect. And then I'm gonna go straight in with my Butternut Crush. And see, that's just one swipe, and look how much color payoff you got. Once I've applied as much as I want on my lips, I'll go in with my finger. This color is so easy to work with, and this is it. This is Butternut Crush. I've completely cleaned my lips, minus just a little bit of the brown lip liner. I left the lip liner on because, again, I'm gonna start with the brown lip liner. That's like all of my lips. Really, always, if it's not a dark brown lip liner, it's a medium brown lip liner. If it's not a medium brown, it's a dark burgundy plum liner, and that's as far as I stray. So we're just gonna line our lips again with the same kind of technique, only this time we have some lip liner on from prior, so we're not gonna need to start from the beginning. But again, starting in my corners really and dragging it in. for that kind of ombre effect. And then I'm going to take Peonies Creme, also from ICU Glam Cosmetics. That is my Milky Dreamy Pinky color here. And I'll swatch it for you guys so you can see. It is the most dreamy and creamy, perfect, like poisy pink I could think of. I don't know if the color payoff, the camera's gonna give you the true color payoff, but it is just this really pretty pink color. Again, super opaque. And super easy to wear. So I'm gonna take Peonies Creme and just in the same fashion. Fingers help. Do not be afraid to use your finger to blend. But yes, that is lip number 2. This is Peonies Creme. This is my when I'm like, this color for me really works both ways. So it works when I want to be ultra glam, but it also works when I'm just kind of like throwing on like a little bit of a chill kind of like look. Like it gives you that nude look, but it's got that cute like soft subtle pink that is so sweet and so girly and so perfect and cute, and I love it. Super 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 lightweight, smells heavenly, vanilla peach, and it is super cute. So this is Peonies Creme, lip number 2. So lip number 3 is probably my most talked about lip color. It is my most go-to everyday easy nude. When I made this color for ICU Glam Cosmetics, I was really just trying to mimic that natural kind of cheeky pink color, a natural like lip color. I wanted this color to really play on that beautiful natural blush look of a lip, that rosy toned mauve look. So my next lip of course is going to be Modern Mauve. If you didn't know that already by the introduction, then what is you doing? So again, I'm gonna start the lip with a dark brown lip liner. Say it with me guys, dark brown lip liner, a must for like that perfect nude lip in my opinion at least. Now I've lined this one a little bit thicker. If you notice, I've dragged my top and my bottom line, like here and up on my cupid's bow, a little bit more towards the center of my lip because I wanted to really be a stark difference between the darkened outsides of my lip and the kind of lighter color you'll see that will apply to our lip. I do the effect differently for different colors, really because it just depends on the look I'm going for. When I want the full color of the lip color to really take over my entire lip and be the main show, I'll use less lip liner. But when I really want that kind of like 90s thick line lip look, I'll always drag my color in a little bit more, not only at the outer corners, but all around the lip line itself. Modern Mauve here. She is our deepest kind of hued, rosy mauve tone gem right here. And I'll show you guys swatched what she looks like. She is just as pretty on as she is in the bottle. Now swatched, it may look a little bit on camera like Peonies Creme, just because of lighting and stuff. Let's see. But it is less opaque. It's a lot more muted. It could be sheared out a lot easier. It is the most perfect grab and go nude ever. I'll show you. So you see, it's like the perfect pink. For my ladies who like a little bit of color but don't want to do too much, she's perfect. This is my most everyday, like most worn lip color. Just because you can get away with her anywhere. Like I like to wear her with auto lip liner. It gives me a totally different look. And I'll show you guys that too. Completely remove Modern Mauve and the lip liner. So I'm just going to show you what she looks like without the liner, because I often wear this just like on its own without a liner. And it works just as pretty, just as nude, just as cute. And you'll see what I meant when I said it really just plays on that natural rosy color of the lips. There she is. Just as wearable, just as cute. Modern Mauve, no liner. Okay guys, that wraps up today's video. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you love and you want to go shop ICU Glam Cosmetics. If you do, let me know what you think. Everything can be purchased on www.icuglam.com. If you do decide to try out any of these new lips, let me know what you guys think. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!